Okay folks, we just got done installing this specialty shutter. This is called a rake shutter. Some people call it a triangle shutter. So on this particular shutter, we had 4.5-inch louvers with the invisible tilt system. And this is a split tilt. So the top portion opens separately from the bottom portion. You can open up the top when you'd like to as well, but it allows you to open up on the bottom if you want to see out, have the top closed, or vice versa the other way. Same thing with the other shutter in the room. This is a 4.5-inch louver as well to match, obviously. And this has the split tilt. So on this one, if you wanted to get a little light in the morning, you can open up the top. Still have the bottom closed for privacy. And these are Z-mount shutters. And what a Z-mount is, if you see the frame, that's a 2-inch bullnose Z-mount. Basically, that is an inside mount shutter. And then the lip of the shutter wraps around on the wall to take up the gap between the window and the shutter to seal it off completely. And if you want to close it, obviously, you just grab one louver, any louver. You want to grab towards the middle to make it a little tighter. Close it off. We can do that for any shape, whether it's a round top, one side's angled, the other angled, whatever you need. RapidBlinds.com.